Welcome to day 21 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to view Etsy sitemap, which is the blueprint of the site that helps search engines crawl and index everything listed on Etsy. Now, you could use the sitemap to do market research, get a refresher of the things that you could sell on Etsy, and find new ideas. Let me show you. All right, so the first step is just head over to Etsy.com and then scroll all the way down until you get to the bottom of the page, and on the first column, click on Sitemap. When you click there, this new window is gonna auto-populate for you. It basically tells you everything that you could sell on Etsy on the different categories. So this is great for market research. This is great for when you're shopping for something. This is great to get a refresher of what's allowed to sell on Etsy, and also to see if you get any new ideas for any new stores or if you're adding new products to your shop. Let me know if you knew about this in the comments below, and thanks for watching.